Court Uncut. What the people want.
Nikki Marie Hart versus Marcelo Alvarado, 502514 SC. Your name?
Nikki Hart.
Is Mr. Alvarado out there, Jennifer?
He is not. There was alternate service performed. You may not have a copy of the tacking proof, but it was tacked on 8/18/25.
Service was proper, right?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. You solemnly swear or affirm under penalties of perjury the testimony you'll give in these proceedings will be the whole true self you got.
Yes, I do.
He didn't show up to defend. Sometimes they'll file a motion saying they didn't have notice. It was alternate service, so it wasn't personally handed to him. But you can go ahead and you can tell me briefly what the claim is about. Briefly.
Yeah, so I do have text message proof. My fiance is here. My fiance worked for Mr. Alvarado. He promised us a truck, said that he was ordering it on an auction website. I do have pictures of that auction website. He said, I need $3,000. So we gave him cash, $3,000.
How long ago was this?
Last year.
And have you heard from him?
No,
Did you make a police report?
we did not.
Tell him I said to go over there, will you please?
What was that?
Make a police report,
Okay.
okay? I'm gonna give you your judgment, but these guys taking money, I see more and more and more of this
Yeah.
nonsense going on. People taking money and then not showing up and leaving with it. They're crooks, they're thieves, they should be prosecuted.
Yes.
Give
So,
me, do you have a judgment form down there, Jim?
Judge, I'm typing it up right now and I'll bring it down.
Thank you. So I'm gonna give you your judgment. It's gonna be for the plaintiff. And it's gonna be you prayed for, how'd you get the 3325?
so I gave him $3,000 cash. He said that, he wasn't, or he sent the truck back apparently, asked for $300 more, 300 and something more dollars, and I gave that to him through Cash App. So the total ended up being $3,300 and whatever.
$25.
Yes,
And then you have a filing fee of $70, right? Plus another one of 18, it looks like.
yes.
And how much was your service of process fee?
We hired the PI that.
Yeah, how much did he charge you?
$68.
And Your Honor, there was a $20 motion fee for the alternate service.
So we have 88 plus 88, right? 176 plus the 3325. Am I mistaken on that?
176 in cost?
Yes,
Yes, that would be.
correct, right?
Yep.
All right, so that should be 176 plus 3325, 3501. Default judgment entered in favor of the plaintiff and against the defendant. She's going to prepare that judgment. For the record, this was scheduled this morning for 10 a.m. It is now 10:24, so the defendant was given his 15 minutes. I filed a police report. Don't let these guys do this kind of thing to you. I don't get it. I don't understand. Crooks. Bad. Go file a police report. Good luck.
Thank you. So what is our next steps here?
Well, we're gonna give you the judgment.
Okay.
And then after 21 days, you can go ahead, you can, if you know where he works, you could garnish wages, but you have to have certain information. You might want to read online or talk to a lawyer, but essentially you can conduct collection activity. You could subpoena him for a creditor's exam. They can bring all of his deeds, card title, bank accounts, stocks, bonds, etc., any numbers, verifying numbers of any of those items. And then you can seek to garnish wages, bank accounts, execute on property. Okay?
Thank you.
Maybe he'll get the judgment and know that he's in trouble. I'd file a police report. Don't threaten him with that. Just file one. Okay? Tell him I sent you. Good luck. Thank you.
Thank you.
Because a lot of them are going to tell you this is civil. That's not civil. Somebody taking your money and stealing from you like that. Good luck. What else do I have? Joshua Michael Skeens. This is file number 24M715739.
Good morning, Judge, staff. John Graziani, P number 433.
Can I have a probation?
We have Joshua Skeens. Judge, as you can tell, the letter has been submitted.
Let me ask Mr. Skeens his name first.
Go ahead. It's Joshua Michael Skeen.
All right. I need a probation order, please. All right, we do have this letter from the Monroe County Treatment Court, Circuit Court Treatment. The court is probation department's recommended jail. Have you had a chance to review the report with him, and are there any material additions, corrections, or deletions?
Judge, I did very little on that. We were just simply submitting. We were just concerned about the submission of the letter. We felt that he could continue on with the program. We're just asking for mercy again because of the fact that he's been working, he has complied with that, with the exception of what happened in this jurisdiction, Judge.
Can you do me a favor and call in Beth? Give me 1 second,
Yeah.
please.
Again, he showed up over here. He's been pretty good in compliance and he was working.
Who owns the car he was driving at the time of this?
I was the owner of the vehicle.
So I want you to understand something. I'm going to be you had a drunk driving conviction in 24. You understand that, right? I need to wait for the probation officer.
You want us to just take?
No, you're fine. Just she should be in momentarily. I just want to get a hold of her, Jim.
I do hold him, but what's the action of the phone? And then this.
Is Ms. Wilds here today?
She is, but I was the one that contacted the Monroe, direct work for you.
So she sent you in?
Yes. I attached the letter that they.
I know. I want to make sure I'm doing this right. If I wanted you, I would have called you. I need her.
Right, for related.
Correct. To ever come in.
Yep.
Ms. Wilds, your name? I
Commissioner.
haven't done this in a while. I'm gonna make sure I'm doing it right. So she's gonna be in the treatment court there in Monroe. As I recall it, all I'm doing is assessing fines and costs, and I'm gonna order him to successfully complete that program and provide proof.
Yes, Your Honor. Are you?
I'm gonna keep him,
transferring this?
nope,
No.
I'm gonna keep it here. But
So you gotta take your hat off.
I'm gonna keep it here, and I'm just gonna order him to comply with all terms and conditions of their treatment court, fine him. And I don't think I'm gonna order anything else. But 93 days if he doesn't comply.
Yes, Your Honor, and that's perfect. If we're not transferring, that's
This
exactly.
fines, cost, probation fees, true?
Yes, sure.
All right, you're all set. Thank you. 24 months. Did I let everybody finish over here?
Judge, I'm set except the state because of the fact that he's currently got that Monroe County scenario with the sobriety court. I'm asking that there be nominal fines and court costs. Because this gentleman's making one of about $15-16 an hour.
I think $15-17.
All right, anything else?
There's nothing else, Judge.
Stir, anything else?
On my behalf, I would just like to say, this did occur here in jurisdiction, and I apologize for.
Listen, this is your last chance. If you weren't in their drug court, you'd be going for 93 days, right? So you've used every available break that one's entitled to in this world.
I understand you, Judge.
I mean, I'm not that, I'm gonna trust that you're being really compliant and that your heart's in it, because I gotta tell you, if you don't turn your life around at this point, I don't think it's coming.
And that's understandable.
24 months probation, you cannot leave the state without the consent of the court or violate any law or ordinance. If you change your address, your place of employment, or home telephone number, you must notify probation. You have to report as directed. Your motor vehicle, I don't know if they ordered this, but I have to order that it be immobilized within 7 days. We have to order a mobilization within 7 days for a period of, I'll give you the minimum for 90 days, okay?
Judge, vehicle, excuse me, has been sold, you know.
Then I'm gonna need proof of that. You're gonna have to go to the Secretary of State. And you're gonna have to provide me with proof that that vehicle's titled in somebody else who's not a relative's name. Do you understand that?
Yes.
My order is that you comply with all terms and conditions of probation in the Monroe County Treatment Court. I'll go light on your fines, 100 fines, 300 costs, 75 victims' rights fee, $50 justice assessment. So fines and costs are $5.25, screening fees, 60 for 585, probation fees are 480 for a total of 1,065. If you violate, your probation could be revoked, you could be incarcerated for 93 days. So again, I'm running these terms concurrent with Monroe Treatment Court. So if you violate there, you violate here. Do you understand that?
Yes, sir.
I'm telling you, you got to change your life around, son, or this record is horrific. I will let you pay this at the rate of $50 a month. I will start this beginning November the 10th and the 10th of every month thereafter. If you don't have the money at any point, you come in here and talk to me or call the court. We'll go on Zoom on or before the due dates. Be glad to give you an extension. I don't care how many times we have to do it. You'll meet with the patient. You're all set.
Judge,
I really wish you well. You got to embrace that program. I'm telling you, your record is, you're going to end up in prison, not jail.
Yes, sir.
Good luck. Thank you.
thank you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more crazy court hearings like this one.